Yes. Okay. So, ngayon, anong organization tong inyong naibuo pala?
No, actually, we're launching for the first time. Meron kami yan ang Pilipinas Scandinavia Pageant.
Uy.
I-hold namin sa February. February 8 to 9 sa Storsalen.
Right.
And this will be in cooperation with, with participation from Denmark and Sweden. And syempre, sa Norway din. It will be the first time. Actually, ang Denmark, they held their pre-screening kagabi. So, excited nga ako malaman kung anong result nun. And Sweden will be holding their pageant, I think it's in, November 2015 at any
have you got a number for Denmark? Sino contact person natin doon?
Nga pala, kasi they're still looking for candidates. We're cooperating organization namin doon is Buklod, Denmark. And her name is Rosemary Christensen.
Yeah,
si Rose.
Si Rose, oo.
Si Rose?
Oo, si Rose.
Buklod, Denmark.
Napaka-busy ng tao yun.
Oo nga, ang dami ng activity, bilib ako. And they really work fast, ha?
Kausap natin, ha?
Screening na sila kagad.
Kausap natin si Rose 2 weeks ago.
Oo. Anong number ni Rose? Meron ka bang number ni Rose yan? Para, briefly lang matanong natin.
51-23-51-77.
Ano bang number ng Denmark? 004, ano?
4-5.
Si Rose meron siyang kuya. Meron siyang Skype pero hindi siya online.
Hindi, may landline natin siya kausap last time.
Okay. Let me just check.
Basta lang natin kasi nga dahil tawag dito.
It's 4-5. 4-5.
4-5. Kuya, Alan, no?
Sige. 0045.
71.
Yan ba yung landline yan?
I'm not sure.
Meron siya
landline. Teka lang.
Landline siguro starts with what, 51? Kasi marami siyang number sa akin, hindi ko alam kung ano yung landline.
Pusahin lang natin siya kung meron silang screening, no? So this will be Scandinavia, no? Scandinavia-wide, bale?
Scandinavia. And then we're sending, to win, yung dalawang mananalo dito, papadala namin sa Pilipinas for the finals in July. They will be the representative of Scandinavia.
Maganda yung ginagawa ninyo. Ang balita